Hello students, today we are going to see how to find out the even part and odd part of the given signal, that is x of t is given. Okay, so we have the formula for even part. X of t is 1 by 2 x of t plus x of minus t, and odd part x naught of t is 1 by 2 x of t minus x of minus t. Okay, so while seeing the problem itself, we have original signal x of t, we need to find out time reversal, right? Similarly here also we require time reversal of the signal. Okay, so first let us consider what is x of t. So x of t is this, minus 1 to 2 the signal exists and the amplitude is 1 and 2. This is x of t, right? And in both the even part and odd part we require x of minus t, right? And then for even part we have to add both the signal and multiply the amplitude by 1 by 2. For odd part we have to subtract the original signal and reversal signal, and then we have to multiply the amplitude by 1 by 2. Okay, so first let us find out x of minus t. X of minus t is time reversal of the signal. Just whatever you have in the right side, draw in the left side. Whatever you have in the left side, draw in the right side. So here it is 2 and then 1 and then it is decreasing, right? So you have to draw like this. So 0, 1, 2 will become 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 will become 1. Okay, the amplitude remains same, 1 and 2. This is x of minus t. So just you are drawing the reversal of a diagram, right? So anyway this is t, right? So here also t, here it is x of minus t, that is time reversal of the original signal. Okay, so for finding the even part we have to add these two signal. Okay, so let us add x of t plus x of minus t we have to determine. Okay, so first since we are adding the two signal, we need to find out the range of the new signal. Okay, so the range of the new signal is, compare the negative values, whichever is lower, from there we have to take the limits, minus 1 or minus 2. Minus 2 is lower value, so from there we have to start in the negative side, and for positive side whichever is a higher value, up to that the limit will be. So 2 or 1, 2 is a higher value, so up to 2 the range of new signal will be. Okay, so the range of x of t plus x of minus t, it is minus 2 to 2. Okay, so after finding that, we need to find out what is the value of each and every duration of these two signal. Okay, for that first let us see what is the amplitude of each and every instant. For minus 1 to 0 it is increasing slope. For one duration, one amplitude it is increasing. So here the amplitude it is t. Okay, that is whenever we have the increasing slope like this. Okay, so 0 to 1 means for one duration, one amplitude it is increasing, so it is plus t. Suppose if it is decreasing like this, okay, if it is decreasing like this, it is minus t. But again we have to see from where it is decreasing. It is decreasing from 1, so it is 1 minus t. For example, if you have like this, again, okay, this amplitude it is 1, again it is decreasing. From where it is decreasing? It is decreasing from 1, and since it is decreasing, it is 1 minus t. Okay, so like this we have to write for each and every instance what is the amplitude. Here it is increasing, so t, from where it is increasing? From 0 it is increasing, right? 0 is the amplitude at minus 1 position. So 0 plus t, anyway it is plus t. Okay, and for 0 to 1 what is amplitude? It is 2, right? If it is constant line, just write this amplitude as it is 2. For 1 to 2 what is the amplitude? It is 1. Okay, for minus 2 to minus 1 what is the amplitude? It is 1. For minus 1 to 0 the amplitude is 2. For 0 to 1, okay, actually it is decreasing. Decreasing means it is minus t. From where it is decreasing? From 1 it is decreasing, so it is 1 minus t. Okay, so like this find out the amplitude of each and every instance, okay, of both the signal. Okay, then we can add it easily. Okay, so minus 2 to 2 is the range. So we need to find out what is the value of each and every duration. So minus 2 to minus 1. Okay, so t value varies from minus 2 to minus 1. What is the value of x of t from minus 2 to minus 1? There is no amplitude at all, so it is 0. What is x of minus t? Minus 2 to minus 1, the value is 1. So we need to add both the value, so it is plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. And for minus 1 to 0, for minus 1 to 0, here the amplitude is t, and here minus 1 to 0, the amplitude is 2. Okay, so it is nothing but 2 plus t. For 0 to 1, here 0 to 1, the amplitude is 2. For 0 to 1, it is 1 minus t. So totally it is 3 minus t. For 1 to 2, here the amplitude is 1. Here there is no value at all. So 1 plus 0, it is 1. Okay. So this is the value of x of t plus x of minus t. So for this, we need to draw the diagram now. Okay. So x of t plus x of minus t. Let us draw the diagram. What is the range? It is minus 2 to plus 2. Okay. Minus 2 to minus 1, what is the value? Amplitude is 1. So minus 2 to minus 1, this is the amplitude. Minus 1 to 0, what is the value? 2 plus t. So 2 plus t means we have to start from 2. Right? So 2 plus t. Right? So it has to increase. So from 2 it has to start and it has to increase so that it should reach 3. Okay, so 2 plus 2, like this I have to draw. And then next is 3 minus t. 3 minus t means from 3 I have to start and it should decrease and reach the amplitude 2. So it is 3 minus t. And next is plus 1. Plus 1 means just 1 to 2 you have to draw like this. Okay, and whatever you have here, right? So this is a starting point, and these two dots you can join. Similarly, these two dots you can join these two dots, finally these two dots. Okay, this is x of t plus x of minus t. Okay, while seeing the diagram itself, whatever you have in the right side, the replica will be there in the left side for your even signal. Okay, so what is the value? This is 1 for minus 1 to minus 2 to minus 1. For minus 1 to 0, this value is 2 and it is increasing, so 2 plus t. For 0 to 1, it is starting from 3, so 3, and it is decreasing, so it is 3 minus t, and here it is constant value, which is 1. Okay. Again, finally, xc of t is what? 1 by 2 into x of t plus x of minus t. So it is very easy to draw xc of t, which is nothing but 1 by 2 into x of t plus x of minus t. Just multiply the whole amplitude by 1 by 2. Okay. So take your time value as it is. Take your time value as it is and draw the structure also. Anyway, the structure will be same. Okay, draw the structure also like this. Right? No. So it is increasing and then increasing slope again like this. Okay. So draw the structure also similar to the previous signal. Okay. Now the each and every amplitude you have to multiply by 1 by 2. Okay. So here 1 into 1 by 2 will become 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 will become 1. 3 into 1 by 2 will become 3 by 2. Okay. So this signal is nothing but xc of t. Okay. Similarly, we have to find out what is the odd part. Okay. So for the odd part, again we have to find what are all the values of x of t minus x of minus t. Okay, since you have x of t minus x of minus t, first let us find out what are all these values. Okay, so x of t minus x of minus t, again the range is what? Range is minus 2 to 2. Okay, so minus 2 to minus 1. What is the value of x of t? There is no minus 2 to minus 1. Here it is 0. So already what we have done, similarly we have to do. Here it is plus, here it is minus, that's all. Okay. So 0, here it is 1. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 to 0. Here it is t, here it is 2. So t minus 2, which is nothing but minus 2 plus t. For 0 to 1, here it is 2, here it is 1 minus t. So 2 minus 1, minus into minus will become plus. So it is plus t. 2 minus 1, it is 1, 1 plus t. Okay. And then for 1 to 2, here it is 1, here there is no value. So 1 minus 0, it is nothing but 1. Okay. So with this we have to draw what is x of t minus x of minus t. So minus 2 to minus 1, what is the value? It is minus 1. So negative value, right? So minus 2 to minus 1, you have a constant like this at minus 1. Minus 1 to 0, the value is what? Minus 2 plus t. So from minus 2 you have to start. Minus 2 plus t. From minus 2 you have to start. But it is increasing, right? Plus t. So you have to draw like this. Okay. Minus 2 plus t. Okay. And then 0 to 1, what is the value? 1 plus t. So 0 to 1, you have to start from 1. Okay, 1 plus t, like this. Okay, so you have to draw like this. And 1 to 2, what is the value? It is 1. Okay, so just connect all the dots. So here it will be like this. Here this is the signal. And again here this is the signal. Here this is the signal. Okay. So this is the x of t minus x of minus t. Okay. So what are all the values you have? For minus 2 to minus 1, the value is minus 1. For minus 1 to 0, it is minus 2 plus t. So start with the amplitude minus 2 and it is plus t. So just increase the slope. So this amplitude is minus 2 plus t. And 0 to 1, the value is what? 1 plus t. So start from 1 and you have to increase. So this is 1 plus t. And 1 to 2, the value is what? 1. Okay, so you have the diagram like this. So for art part, all these things you have to draw as it is. Just multiply your amplitude by 1 by 2. Okay, so again redraw the diagram. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. There is no change in the time scale. Okay. Right, you have the diagram like this. So now for art part, we have to multiply by 1 by 2. So 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2, it is 1. Similarly, minus 1 into 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. Minus 2 into 1 by 2 is minus 1. Okay. So this is x naught of t, which is nothing but 1 by 2 into x of t minus x of minus t. Okay. So when you compare the even part, right, whatever you have in the right side, it will be there in the left side. So the mirror image will be there. When you compare odd part, whenever you have increasing slope, that is if I have the signal like this, which is increasing from 1 by 2, here minus 1 by 2, it will be decreasing. Okay. So here it is plus 1 by 2, here it is minus 1 by 2. Okay. The amplitude will be in the reversal. Okay. So you have to multiply the amplitude by minus 1 such that you will be getting in the whatever you have in the first quadrant, you will be getting in the third quadrant. Like that you will be getting. Okay. Suppose if you get the signal in the second quadrant, you will be getting the signal in the fourth quadrant. Opposite you will have the signal. Okay. So odd part will be having like that. Even part, the mirror image will be there. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.